Yay 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 yay. Yay 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 yay. I've brought 10 Fanta at the school breakfast. Yay 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 yay. Let's drink.
Hey guys. I will be subbing for you, teacher. My name is Principal Ramirez. Now let's do quick maths. Okay Santa. What's 1 plus 90?
91.
Correct. Okay Amy Reynolds. What's 10 times 4?
40.
Okay girl Jordan. What's 12 times 11?
Principal Ramirez. I don't feel good.
Just answer your question now. Yes, you will be sent to detention.
But Principal Ramirez, I don't feel good. I think I'm going to.
Oh. Girl Jordan, how dare you burp in class? That's it, go to the principal's office now.
Oh. Girl Jordan, how dare you burp in class? That's it, you're expelled for 2, 8, 8, 2, 3, 7, 7, 3, 7, 3, 7, 3, 7, 3 years.
Ooh. Girl Jordan, how dare you burp in class? That's it, you're grounded for one group at 0 9 0 0 9 9 9 2 9 3 9 3 9 3 3 9 3 9 9 3 4 9 9 4 9 5 8 3 8 3 8 7 4 8 2 8 8 1 9 1 9 1 9 9 8 7 6 5 5 4 3 2 1 1 2 7 7 2 5 5 2 5 2 7 2 7 7 2 7 7 6 years. Go to your room now.
Wow 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 wow.